watering the plant because the plant are using water based on the humidity and the moisture.
So you,
And also
these
temperature.
sensors that you have here are measuring what?
This is measuring the moisture level.
Okay.
And this is the one I made up because the real one is not working. So, and this is a sensor, and also here the temperature and the humidity.
Let me see.
I put it here because this thing
Ambient.
is not submersible. I mean, what?
Yeah, okay, no, that's okay. But these are working, right?
These are working, and also this is the fuse because I'm sensing from the ground. So in case if there's lightning, these 3 wires go here, so the fuse will break in case of a lot of current coming in. So this power is for the Adreno, and this is for the 12-volt battery. This is a 12-volt battery, and all the thing is in the back.
Okay. So
And the valve, the solenoid here for one, and the other one is
okay. So this hose goes where?
go down there, and then
Comes up here.
comes up here. Yeah.
Okay. Then according to the moisture and temperature,
Yeah, according to the temperature and the humidity.
and that's preset or
yeah, preset. Yeah. In
According
here
to the plant.
for this class, I'm sorry,
according to the plant.
according to plan. But for here, if we really do the moisture level and the humidity and the temperature, this thing not gonna work because the humidity will be very low. So I put down like 30 because if it is a little 30, it will work because
Okay.
we don't only
Crank it up. Let's see
we're
it
gonna
work.
do with the swell sensor.
And this powers what?
The battery.
So this
So
temperature right here is the
Temperature
temperature.
is 71, humidity is 32. So actually this
Here.
plant, yeah, actually the plant need between 40 to 90.
And this
So-
SO is what?
This soil one, the moisture one,
Okay.
the moisture one, moisture two. So this is drier than this one. So valve one open mean the solenoid one for
So this
will
is
be open.
450.
Yeah, this is
That's like a
450.
pool.
So the water will come here. If I
So does it work independent or?
independent, yeah.
Good. Crank it up.
So water come here.
And when will it stop? When?
When it's like 250. I put it 250 too. That's it.
Oh, this is the first time. You did water, you guys did water, you did water. Okay, but you said at 250, went all the way to 325.
It will not give water because it's already moist. The water is going down and it get wetter and water. But as soon as the minimum, like 250, I shut it down. Yeah. But if it is lower than that, the water will come.